Hello, this is the Watch Reviewer 101 with another watch review. Today I'll be reviewing the Casio Pathfinder triple sensor. This watch is very big, very large watch. It's very thick too, but it's actually not that heavy. It's all made from plastic. This watch has a very easy display of time. Very easy to read, not hard, not small at all. It has one, two, three, four, five, six buttons on this watch. The light button's right here on the center of the watch. It's a very nice watch to see at night. It has the adjust button up here, the mode button. There's a sensor here, and then there's a sensor on the back. Then there's the compass button, the barometer button, and the altimeter button. First of all, this watch has a nice rotating bezel for the compass. This rotates. And the features of this watch are great for a hiker. That's why they're called Pathfinders. It has, I don't know if you could read that, a compass, a thermometer, an altimeter, and a barometer. And I'll go through those functions. First, on the main screen, you have the time up here. Then you have the time and the date down here, and on the side it says compass, barometer, then altimeter. And up here on this little bar, it has this works for I think both the altimeter and this bar works for the altimeter and barometer for feet. So here's the compass. Very nice compass. It's digitally made and has digital lines of where it's supposed to be pointing, and it gives degrees. And then at the bottom, for all the features, it'll still give the time for each feature you go to. It'll say the time, which is really nice. So if you want to keep it on a compass mode or any other modes. And the altimeter. It has a nice, really easy to read graph up here. I think it's the feet, and it also has the temperature right here. But this temperature if it's on your wrist, it'll read the body temperature, which is a con about it. That if you want to have the real temperature, you'll have to keep it off your body, like put it on a backpack or something. But it does give the temperature, which is nice if you're not wearing it. And then the altimeter, which has a very nice display graph up here, which is cool. So very easy to read. Great for hikers yet again. Then I'll go into the other modes. There's a record, so you record your findings, which is cool. So that's another cool function. Then there's 5 alarms, which is always nice. And that's a time signal too. And every time you're on a feature or using the feature, it'll go right back to the home mode. So alarm, and then also the stopwatch, and those are all the features. So all in all, it has about 7 features. No timer on this thing, which is a downside. I wish it had a timer, because I think all digital watches should have timers. The other thing about this watch is the comfortable band. It's leather, so it's fairly comfortable, not too uncomfortable. But I'll show you what it looks like on my wrist. The band is kind of stiff, so you have to kind of pull it. That's the only other con about it. So that's what it looks like on my wrist. It's it takes up my whole wrist. It's a very large watch. So a lot of time people don't really like wearing it out in public because it is really big. But it's great for hiking and that kind of, and yet for fishing trips or whatever. It's good for the outdoors. It's a very durable watch. It's like a tank. It will take a lot of force. I think it's even shock resistant. If you read the manual, it says. So yet again, it's a really nice watch. I like it. I always take it when I'm going hiking. The price for this watch can vary. Since it's about 2 years old, this watch, You probably could find it for at least $75 like online if you find it like cheap. But on the Casio's website, it goes for like $100. It can go up to 150. No matters what place you find it at. So yet again, I don't think this is a bad watch. If you're a hiker, I would get a Pathfinder. Casio makes much more Pathfinders, so whatever Pathfinder you like, I would get. I like this one just because of what it looks like, but it also comes with metal band, all sorts of types of colors. It's a great watch. So thanks for watching my review, and see you next time. Bye bye.